A volume of 6,134,484 has been used to record the majority of HNTS. Contrary to popular belief, the EMA-10 of Helium has a fundamentally falling tendency, which is significant when other factors are taken into consideration. Additionally, the current support floor for HNT is 4.27, which is of great significance. Helium presents a notable resistance level at $5.02, signaling a substantial medium-term block. We aim to answer frequently asked concerns and provide clarifications on specific points in this video, which will provide a thorough examination of Helium costs with a focus on the current situation and the next week. Before entering into a thorough technical analysis of HNT, let's first take a look at the current economic conditions to determine what the general expectation is for the temporary cost of Helium, especially in light of the high demand for HNT. The market analysis carried out in the last 24 hours showed a considerable drop of 1.84, bringing the total market value of cryptocurrencies to $1.182 trillion. This decrease is extremely significant to the market. 26,292,611,763 represents the essentially complete trading volume. In particular, further appearance how Helios EMA-10 typically displays and practically descending pattern in a significant way. Ethereum specifically has a dominant market share of 16.33 or so, compared to Bitcoin's 48.14%, which sort of caused Bitcoin's price to drop to 29,272.29 level after a decline of 0.58, which is particularly significant compared to other elected digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 0.23 to 1869.44 over the past 24 hours. Which in every way that really matters is very critical while distributing this. They really believed that BN could be the fundamentally local coin of BNB because it has increased by 0.08 and is currently trading at 241.76 in light of the fact that Helium's M110 normally exhibits an essentially declining pattern in a fundamentally important way. Furthermore, Bitcoin's price fell to $29272.29, a reduction of 0.58%. As a result of a 0.77 value decline in Coco's BCX. These recent occurrences point to a notable downward trend in the short term, indicating that the crypto market is now going through a significant decrease. Market participants are Helium backing, obstructing, and opposing. Important technical indicators are used to pinpoint crucial price points where the trend may potentially shift direction, illuminating the actions of BNB. The local BNB coin has increased noticeably by 0.08 and is now trading at 241.76. While resistance represents a level where sellers become more active and prevent the coin's price from rising further, support acts as a level where buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from declining further. In terms of HNT, it is important to note that support acts as a level where buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from rising further. The support floor is currently at 4.27, which holds considerable importance. The following are the levels of support and resistance. The use of Helium is a matter of interest in some levels. The overall daily chart of Helium essentially demonstrates that the HNT Cosby and generally has an extremely descending development with a 0.34 decline and unquestionably beyond 24 hours, so as of right now a particularly wide, exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen throughout the crypto market, which is ordinarily very huge. The value worth of the Helium HNT coin unquestionably is remaining at $3.05 with market capitalization $423,726.11 United States dollar. HNT cost variations. They essentially believed that the Helium value examination HNT cost investigation for August 4, 2023 incited by and large data daytime span sort of made sense because it was 12.01 throughout the week and the trading volume was actually floating around 6,134,484 US dollars. Which basically shows that, but before delving deeply into the HNT specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations. We primarily use relative strength index. An indicator of relative strength when examining the movement of financial indicators like blending and dissimilarity, RSI, is especially helpful. Moreover, the convergence of the moving average divergence MACD can give useful information on support and resistance levels over a range of time periods. Additionally, the use of fundamental moving averages, both modest and spectacular, can improve the study of market patterns. While HT's Williams %R pointer has been at 69.632 throughout the course of a 14-day period, indicating a neutral state, the primary emphasis of EMA2 is to examine the potential developments of the Helium dot. The significant observation that the MACD line remains below the signal line after a crossover event suggests that Bitcoin holds a market share of 48.14% while Ethereum displays a dominance of 16.33%. Making an exchange signal highly plausible in this context. In addition, the significant amount of helium present need to be mentioned. Contrary to popular assumption, investors should practice patience when evaluating any prospective shift in the daily chart. This is especially important because the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is close to an oversold state with a trade value of 36. Additionally, there are signs of an impending exit from the negative zone, with the BNB native cryptocurrency moving up by just 0.08%. Bitcoin price prediction: will BTC plummet to $25,000 as traders fear the curve? Fallout: currently, the value of Bitcoin is around $29,900, which is lower than its most recent high of $29,900. Due to recent events involving Curve, the market is uneasy, and traders are speculating that Bitcoin may drop to $25,000 in price. Following the announcement that the U.S. Federal Reserve, as Tether moves away from $1, what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be? Is BTC also in trouble? The price of Bitcoin is moving up and down above $29,000, which has caught the attention of traders and buyers. Bitcoin is worth $29,000 to $40 right now. And $11.3 billion worth of trades happen every 24 hours. According to the most current data, Bitcoin has lost nearly 0.5% of its value in the last 24 hours. As Tether, one of the most famous stable coins, moves away from its $1 value, the market is paying close attention. People are closely watching how this change will affect Bitcoin, which has led to debate and talk about what it could mean for the most popular cryptocurrency. The USDT has a slight depeg and is overweight in pools. ALX Wasi, at Wasi_time1, says in the tweet that the cryptocurrency Tether,